Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and today we will start with exercise 12.5. In exercise 12.5, they have given you multiplication and division of money. It is very simple. Multiplication and division will be as multiplication and division you do. It is same thing like for simple multiplication and addition. It is only they have given you one unit, that is rupees or paisa. So let me show you multiplication. Question number 1, where you have to multiply. So let us see question number A. Rupees 14.90 by 6. So let us arrange this. Rupees 14.90 and multiply by 6. So you will be doing simple multiplication as you do. 6 zeros are 0, 6 nines are 54, 4 in hand, 5 in, 4, 5 in hand. 6 fours are 24, 24 plus 5 is 29, 2 in hand. 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. And here rupees. Now you see, count the number of digit that is given after the decimal. So after decimal 1 and 2 digit. So count from the back, and before 2 digit you put the decimal, and this is your answer. Very simple. Let me show you few more. Suppose question number F. Question number F. Rupees 108.35 by 8. If they have given you this multiplication, so arrange as we have done for question number A. 108.35 and multiply by 8. Do simple multiplication. 8 fives are 40, 4 in hand. 8 threes are 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 2 in hand. 8 eights are 64 plus 2, 66, 6 in hand. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6, 6. 8 ones are 8, and put the rupees symbol. And you see again after the decimal how many digit? 1, 2. You will put here counting from the back 1, 2. So it is as simple as you do multiplication. Now let me show you division. It is the same normal division. Number 2, divide. Let us take question number 1A. Question number 2A. Let us take rupees 27.72 by 9. That means they have asked you to divide 27.72 by 9. So let us divide. You don't have to write the symbol. Take the numerical value and 9. Take the numerical value. You don't need to write the symbol now. When you write the answer, then you will write. 9 threes are 27. After dividing the first 2 digit, what can you see? We can see decimal. So straight away this decimal will come from here and put here. Again I am telling you, we have divided the first 2 digit. 9 threes are 27. It is over. What can you see the next? You can see decimal next. So just simply put the decimal there. 7 comes down. 7 is not divisible by 9. So what you have to do? To bring the next digit down, you have to put one 0 here. So 2 comes down. 9 8s are 72. So whatever answer you got, you will write here rupees 3.08. This is your answer. Next, let me show you one more. Suppose number D. Rupees 21.60 divided by 6. Let us divide this. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. subtract 3. After dividing 21, what can you see? You can see the decimal, so straight away this decimal will go here, and then 6 comes down. 6 6 are 36. 0 comes down. As we know the rule that if any digit from the dividend place comes down and if it is not divisible, what do you have to do? We have to put a 0 here. So the answer is rupees 3.60. I hope all of you have understood this. Okay. Now let us move to question number 3. In question number 3, they have said that you have to divide, and after dividing, whatever the answer will come, you have to write the answer in rupees as well as paisa. So we will do same simple division. Whatever will be in the quotient place, whatever will be before the decimal will be your rupees, whatever will be after the decimal, that will be your paisa. So let us do question number 3a. Rupees 64.40 divided by 4. Let us divide. 4 ones are 4, 2 comes down, then 4 next digit, 4 6 are 24. What can you see decimal? Straight away it goes and sits here. 4 comes down, 4 ones are 4, 0 comes down. It is not divisible by 4, so that 0 will come here. It is not that 0 will come, but because this digit when comes from the dividend place, and if it is not divisible, you have to put a 0 here. So what is your answer? Your answer is whatever is before the decimal is rupees. Rupees 16, and after the decimal is paisa, 10 paisa. Because they have asked you the answer in rupees as well as paisa. So I hope all of you can do it, these children. So please complete exercise number 12.5 in the copy. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will start with the word problem. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.